this little guy, this fucker. That old bugger right there. Alright. Easy. Black goes to the overload. Neutral goes to run. That's it. Simple. Very simple. So, let's get this out of here. Yeah, I always use the hooks. Or like the full loops. This way they don't pull off. Because if you use the hooks right, or just the forks, they'll pull off of here. So always use your loopers. These ones. Alright. Welcome to my fucking hell. I gotta do it like this. I fucking hate it. Hate it. Yeah. I'm putting AE 4440 in instead of this piece of shit. Fuck that thing. Fucking Rocco. Still a nightmare. Dude, look at this fucking bullshit. This bullshit's sitting here fucking spinning, dude. And you can't hold it on the fucking bottom. I already tried. Oh, it's pissing me off. And I got two of them. This one and this one. Come the fuck on, dude. I fucking can't. I fucking hate all this fucking shit. Fuck you. Now I have to get my fucking Sawzall? Oh my gosh, this is fucking trash. Dude, these ants are fucking horrible. Look at this. Fuck you. I think I'm just gonna unsweat this one maybe. Because this is retarded. I can't even get the fuck in here. So fucking irritated. Here's that guy. Yeah. Sorry. Oh yeah. We got Littleton. Yep. Alright, and you get this raised in and a little bit of repiping, but worked out pretty good. Not too shabby. Nitro, I always do 100. That's it, just 100. Just one more bullshit fucking thing to add to my list. I always sound not bad. Folding at 1069. It's pretty good. Take it. We'll take it. R34A. Like to put the tank as high as I can up. I don't know, gravity helps a little bit, I guess. Whatever. I'm not weighing it in. We're just gonna feed it around and do this by pressures. That's what we're gonna do, because different compressor. I'd rather just do it by pressures. Feed around, feed around. Alright, just fired up. That box is probably 75 degrees. Yeah, like 60, 65. Let's see. Might as well just check real quick.
Good?
I like it so far. But that box is hot. Alright. 56 in there, 59 on there. It's not too shabby. The Schrader was loose. I tightened it, and I don't know what the fuck happened, but somehow when I took this off, it was all. So I take it off, tighten the Schrader, and put a little juice in it. So. Not too shabby for a, call it, 60 degree, 55 degree box temp, 30 EVAC, 20 condensing. That's pretty good for right now. Sometimes what I like to do is put a little water on there, but I'm gonna let this one run. Alright. A little bit of a bitch to get all that crammy, bammy Sambo in there. But I did it. I did it. Glitching out. That was a hard one.